Hello, my friends. Welcome to Home EduPoint. We provide studies at home. So, in this video, we will learn how to create database in MS SQL Server. So, first we learn about what is database. So, database. What is database? We will learn about database to in next video. So now we will learn how to create database. Create database is used to create a new SQL database. What is syntax? Syntax like create database is a command and database name is a name for your database. So we will open a Microsoft SQL Server Studio. So we will run a query. So we will click on control new query. Otherwise, we will from keyboard control plus N. So I'm clicking here. Okay. So we will write a command. So what is command to create database? So create database. Okay. Now this is a command create for database. So we will write here a database name. So my database is uh, home edu point and db stand for database. Okay. So and and then write a semicolon. Okay. Now we will execute query. Okay. The so command completed successfully. So now we will click on here and now we will refresh F5. Okay. And now we'll extract database and you can see here home point db has been generated. So this is our database. Here is you can see that database. Okay. Database diagrams, tables, views, synonyms. So we will next video learn what is table and how to create table, how to generate data. One by one we will learn about anything else. So please share and subscribe my channel.